I welcome you all in episode 97 of Explore Yoga. In today's episode, we will learn about Kumbhakas. Breathing is a life process. Inhalation and exhalation provides oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from the body. The breathing process facilitates gas exchange by taking in oxygen and flushing out carbon dioxide. The Kumbhaka is a Sanskrit word. Kumbhaka means a port. Here, torso is compared to a port. In other words, Kumbhaka is the retention of the breath in pranayama either after inhalation or exhalation. Kumbhaka means holding of breath inside or outside. There are four aspects of breathing which are utilized in pranayama. These aspects are inhalation, exhalation, internal retention, and external retention. We will discuss this all in today's episode in detail. Purka. Purka means inhalation. Taking of breath into the lungs is called purka. During the practice of pranayama, when a sadhaka breathes slowly and deeply, it is called yogic inhalation. During inhalation, diaphragm contracts and moves upward. As a result, chest cavity expands. Air is filled in the lungs. What is Rechka? Exhalation. Exhalation is the process of letting out the air out of the lungs during breathing cycle. After exhalation, diaphragm relaxes and it moves into the chest. As a result, chest cavity gets smaller and air filled in the lungs goes out. Air filled in the lungs goes out. Now we will discuss about Kumbhaka. Kumbhaka means retention of breath, either after inhalation or exhalation. These Kumbhakas are of three types known as Antrik Kumbhaka, internal retention, Bahya Kumbhaka, external retention, and Kevala Kumbhaka. Antrik Kumbhaka, internal retention of breath. Retention of breath inside after inhalation is called Antrik Kumbhaka or internal retention. People suffering with asthma, cardiac problem, hypertension, they should not practice this asana. Today, this pranayama or Kumbhaka will be demonstrated by our instructor Kanika Mittal. Sit on the yoga mat in a comfortable meditation pose. You can sit in Padmasana, Siddhasana, or Siddhyoniyasana, Sukhasana, etc. If a person is unable to sit in a meditation asana, he can sit on a chair also. Erect your back, neck, head in one line. Place your both the hands on your knees in Gyan Mudra or Chin Mudra. Close your eyes gently. Control your breathing and prepare your body for the practice. Now start by taking a deep breath slowly and rhythmically with mental count of 5. Bring down your chin to the collarbone and apply Jalandhar Bandha. Jalandhar Bandha. Hold the breath inside for 5 seconds. Open the Jalandhar Bandha. Then and exhale slowly. Take natural breaths and relax. Again, we will repeat it. Inhale. Bring down the chin to the collarbone. Hold the breath inside for 5 seconds. After that, open the Jalandhar Bandha and exhale slowly. Take natural breaths until the breath becomes normal, returns to normal. This practice, a sadhaka should increase to 10 rounds gradually. But he should not go beyond his capacity. It increases the energy level of the body. Internal kumbhaka is helpful to increase the life force of the body, and it strengthens the nervous system. The capacity of the lungs increases, and it improves intellectual power, memory, and concentration. External retention, Bahya Kumbhaka. Bahya means outside or external. Kumbhaka means breath retention. It is a vital respiration exercises. During breathing exercise, holding the breath outside of several seconds is called Bahya Kumbhaka or external retention. Internal and external both kumbhakas increase heat in the body and provide many physical and mental benefits. More than normal air is inhaled and exhaled during the practice of Antrik and Bahya Kumbhaka. It is advised to begin by mastering Antrik Kumbhaka or internal retention first. Then Bahya Kumbhaka should be practiced, or external retention should be practiced. Hold Bahya Kumbhaka 5 seconds in the beginning and increase gradually this holding capacity up to 15 seconds. This Kumbhaka will be demonstrated by our yoga instructor Sri Rakesh Kumar. People suffering with asthma, heart problem, migraine pain, high blood pressure should not practice Bahya Kumbhaka or external retention of breath. Sit in a meditation asana. Straighten your spine, neck, head in one line. Place both the hands on your knees in Gyan Mudra or Chair Mudra. Close your eyes gently. Take a long and deep breath. Now exhale completely. Hold the breath outside after complete exhalation. Contract your abdominal muscles. Draw your navel downward towards the spine. Lower your head so that your chin touches your collarbone. This is called Jalandhar Bandha. Hold this position in the primary stage for 5 seconds. While inhaling, return to the starting position and relax your body. Return to the starting position. Now this is one round. In the primary stage, a sadhaka can repeat 5 rounds, then gradually increase it up to 10 rounds. Once more, Rakesh ji will repeat the same external retention of breath. You see how the navel is contracted and drawn towards the spine. Return to the starting position. Take natural breaths until they return to the normal position. Oxygen intake capacity of the lungs increases. In this practice, digestive organs are strengthened. It helps to alleviate constipation, acidity, and diabetes. It is helpful to reduce the problems of reproductive organs. Problems relating to urethra and urinary tract are also cured. Now we will learn about Keval Kumbhaka, which is the most significant retention or Kumbhaka in these practices, known as spontaneous breath retention. When we practice enough the two Kumbhakas, we develop the capability to apply the third Kumbhaka, known as Kevala Kumbhaka. This is an advanced stage of pranayama. During the state of Kevala Kumbhaka, respiration ceases automatically. This Kumbhaka is the most significant state of a sadhaka. Kevala Kumbhaka is the end result of all the pranayamas. In the pranayama practices, more emphasis is given to inhalation and exhalation at the beginning in order to strengthen the lungs and balance the